guys, and welcome back to my channel. We just arrived at Sandals Halcyon in St. Lucia, and I wanted to quickly give you a room tour, show you what our room looks like. It was quite the adventure getting here. We had a really rough flight, but aside from that, the drive is approximately 2 hours, and it's a very windy, hilly drive. People were feeling sick. I knew about this going in, but it is a thing, so definitely keep that in mind to be prepared for it. But I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you guys the room. Okay, so this is where you walk in. And then over here you have a safe. We have a couple of robes, nice big closet. And we do have a bottle of wine up there. We have a coffee station. And then in the fridge, they have it stocked with water and beer and soda and some juice in there as well. Okay, and then here's the bathroom. Nice big vanity. And they have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, all that good stuff. So you really don't need to pack that because they do have good quality stuff here. They have a nice sized tub. And that's pretty much the entire bathroom. Lots of storage over here. They have all these drawers. All right, and here is the rest of the room. Nice size bed. We have our end tables. Nice size dresser there with the TV. Plenty of storage here. There's a lot of drawers. We're having a really short stay here, so I don't think I'm gonna really fully unpack, but there definitely is plenty of storage. They left us a fruit platter. We already ate a whole bunch of it because we didn't have lunch yet today, but that's nice to have a little snack when we get to the room. And then a desk area over here, a little sitting area here, and then we do have a balcony, which is nice, so I'll take you guys outside quick to see the balcony. So we have a table and chairs over here, and then we have a view of the pool. So right over here is the lazy river, and then beyond that I think is the main pool. But look at that view, that's really pretty. You can see the mountains back there. Really, really nice. So that is our room tour. I'm actually going to shower and get ready for dinner now because we have dining reservations at Kelly's Dockside. So I'm excited to go there. We haven't seen any of the resort yet. We literally just got here. So I think we're gonna walk around a little bit and head to dinner because we are starving. So we're back in the room. I just got out of the shower. We ended up having a really full night considering how late we got here. We had dinner at Kelly's Dockside, which was just okay. I didn't really love it. And then we just walked around, checked out the property to see what was going on. We ended up sitting at the bonfire for a little while. We went in the hot tub, spoke with a whole bunch of people there for a bit, and then we went in the pool, and now we're back in the room. So I just rinsed off and we're gonna get ready for bed because it was a very long day. And tomorrow I should be doing some site tours because being a travel agent, I am going to take the time tomorrow to check out some of the rooms and things like that. And then hopefully I'll have some good time on the beach because the beach here looks beautiful. All right, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. We just finished breakfast. We ate at the Bayside, which is really a great location because it's right on the water. We had the best view, just sitting, relaxing, having coffee, getting something to eat. The buffet was decent. There was enough to choose from, so that was really nice. And we already claimed our chair because we got out there around 8 o'clock in the morning and we noticed a lot of people, especially around the pool, had already claimed their chairs. We're not really pool people. I'm the type of person, when I go to the Caribbean, I want to be on the beach because I can go to a pool anywhere. But the pool is really nice.
So I'm sure we're going to spend some time there today. They have a nice swim up bar, and I'm sure there'll be some kind of activities, music and things like that going on. The one thing to take note is a lot of people are constantly trying to sell you stuff. So I'll see how that goes when we're actually on the beach trying to relax. Hopefully it's not an issue, but I've had people, promoting the spa, promoting the excursions, a lot of people on the beach trying to push excursions on you. And I don't think they're all necessarily from Sandals because it is a public beach. So we're gonna see how that goes today. That was the one thing that was a little bit frustrating, but again, we haven't even been here 24 hours yet. So I'm gonna ride it out, and hopefully once I say no, they know the answer is no and they don't bother me again. But other than that, this resort is absolutely gorgeous. I love the location. The beach is so nice. And tonight we're gonna have dinner at Regency La Toc because I want to check out all of the resorts here. I'm still not sure what time I'm going to be doing a resort tour today, so that's hopefully on the agenda. And we're gonna get ready now to go to the beach. So we're back in the room briefly. We spent a good amount of the day on the beach. The beach here was actually really nice, and going back to what I was saying before, no one bothered us once we were laying out on the beach and just enjoying relaxing, so that's good. I took a full tour of the resort with the hotel manager, so I got to learn so much about this resort and see all the different room categories, which is so helpful as a travel agent, being able to meet the people that work here, see all of the different room types and stuff like that. So that was really great. That took a little bit of the day as well. We had lunch at Beachside Bistro, I think it was called. It was really good there. And now we're just dropping stuff off at the room because I think we're gonna head over to the pool, see what's going on there. They have a really nice swim up bar. So we're gonna check that out, and then we're gonna come back and get ready for dinner. The day's actually going really quick. I wish that we had a longer trip planned, but I'm really enjoying our time here at Sandals Halcyon. We just got back from a great beach day. It was so much fun. We spent so much time on the beach. We went to the pools, we went to the 2 swim up bars that they have, had a great lunch, and now we're back at the room. We're going to shower and get ready for dinner. We're going to be taking the shuttle bus over to Regency La Toc, so I'm excited to go check out that resort now. And we're really enjoying our time here at Sandals. I love how there are 3 resorts that we can take full advantage of. So I'm super excited to head over to a different resort tonight and share that with you guys. They share all of the same privileges, so I am welcome to use any of their pools and their dining and all those things. So it's gonna be nice to have dinner over there tonight.